This is a Freightliner M2, and these are the climate controls, and if you need to change them, this is actually really easy. So I'll show you how to do that. But before I do, if you are not used to diagnosing anything, and you have a fleet, if you've got 2 or more of these trucks, one thing you can do, and you don't really have to diagnose a whole lot, is take the faceplate out of, or the climate controls out of a working known one, and try to put it in the one that's not working. And if that starts working, then it's just these. So if you don't know how to diagnose at all, that's one thing you can do to see if it's actually the climate controls or if it's something else. And if that swap doesn't work, then something else is going on. And if you don't know how to diagnose, I'd recommend taking it to a shop. But that's one way to avoid taking it to a shop. So hopefully it is just the climate controls. That being said, let's get on with it. You'll need a Torx bit, and that is a T25, and there's just 4 on the corners that come off. So go ahead and get those out. Once those are out, the whole thing becomes loose. I would recommend actually keeping those, because sometimes you'll get a truck back from a shop, these M2s, and the dashes are missing screws for some reason. So you might want to use one of those to put in here, or if they've put one in too far, as you can see it's in there, but it's not holding anything. The plastic backing is busted. You can then use one of those to put in here and hold the dash together a little better so it doesn't rattle going down the road. Not the most beautiful thing, but it is functional to do that. So I recommend keeping those screws. Anyway, come right here, and there is just one clip. That's all you do to take it out. Squeeze here, and then pull towards yourself. Once you get that off, this is the old one, this is the new one. What I always do is I put this in the same configuration as the one that I took off. A lot of people say that doesn't matter, but that's what I always do. So there we go. And you won't need to use those old screws. Like I said, keep them for the dash. Most of the time, the new climate controls will come with those Torx screws. Go ahead and get that clipped back in. Just slides in, and you will hear a snap. Let's see if I can actually do it with one hand. And make sure it is back in the same orientation as when you took it off. You can't put it in improperly without a bunch of force. So if it doesn't start to go in, flip it around. Anyway, the blue should be at the top. There you go, it is snapped in. And go ahead and get that in, fit that in. Oh, that actually was keeping it from going in, so be careful of those metal tabs. There we go, and they're sticking out a little bit, so go ahead and tighten all of those down. And that's it, that's the video. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped somebody. If it did, please subscribe, and then you'll see more of random stuff like this as I come across it. Have a safe driving day. Goodbye.